Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we will be doing a top-down analysis on Gbpusd, and we will be starting from the weekly time frame. So yeah. Okay. There's not much to see on the weekly time frame other than price, but as itself, right? Price broke a resistance zone and sold back right into it. Okay, let's go to the daily time frame and see what we have there. Okay, so there's a change of character here. Let's try to break it down piece by piece. Okay, so there's a resistance zone here, right, which price has reacted to in the past. Like, the zone is so strong, the resistance has been so strong until price broke it, right? The reason why we have this trend line here was to confirm if it was actually going to sell, but it sold. So there's a break of structure here, which you can also call a change of character. I don't know why I always have issues with it's funny. Okay, there's a change of character here. There's also a change of character here, if you can see it, right? Okay, let me change the color so that it doesn't look the same all through. Alright, so now let's focus. Okay, so before we focus, price, if you notice, price got here and reversed. It had there was nothing to buy more. Like, there was no longer a buy momentum, right? Price had exhausted all of the buys, right, and then sold. So let's focus on this side now. I'll say this is liquidity. Price took liquidity and did like its thing. It's oversold, sold, right? And if you remember, this was our resistance zone which price broke. So price broke it and sold right back into it. Now, if you notice, price has reacted to this zone again. So I feel like price just went to take liquidity and sold back. Now is reacting to this zone. I was actually thinking price was going to use this zone that I broke as support and continue higher, but it looks like price is not ready to continue to the upside. So now that price has broken back, like it's a very heavy, strong LD sell candle that's broken back right into our zone, signaling further sales. And also, price tried to buy but failed. So we see two weaknesses for book buys and sells. Sells because price could not sell further because there's a strong zone here. As you can see, it's difficult for price to just break through, and it's also difficult for price to just break through as price had broken below this resistance again, right? So what we will do now is, okay, and as you can see, there's a change of character here. If you go, let's go to if we go to the maybe 4-hour time frame, you'd see that this is a change of character, and price is currently doing a retest, and personally I would be looking out for further sales, right? But let's go to the 4-hour time frame and see what we have there. Price breaking this trend line was our first sell signal, and what we were actually looking out for was a retest, but we never got that retest. We're looking for a retest somewhere around here, which we never got. Now we don't know if price is going to come back all the way here, up here, for that retest, for a proper sell, or we're going to sell from here. But with the way these candles took their time to sell, as you can see, there's a lot of consolidation. It didn't come down straight. If it had come down straight, we would have said, oh, okay, we're waiting for price to come up and then we can sell. But it took its time to sell. There was a lot of struggle before it finally broke. So I don't think price would come all the way up again. But I'm not the market maker, so I'm not sure. So what we'll do now is to map this place out. Yeah, we'll map this place out and lock it. Right. So we'll see if price comes here, or we'll just take our source from here. I kind of feel like price does not really have much reason to well, there's a fair value gap here, but I don't know. I really don't know. But let's see if price comes here or it starts to sell from here. If price comes all the way here, good for us. If price starts to sell, good for you, good for us rather. But the bias is for sales. The idea is that we are selling and we're looking for places to sell from, right? So if we're selling, where would price most likely come to? Let's go back to the daily time frame. As you have already known our point of interest for sales. It's kind of hard, right? I doubt that price will come back here. I doubt it. It was just a sweep, in my opinion. I personally will be looking for sell opportunities from here, but if price breaks above this place, then I'll know that I'll be looking out for sales from here. Now, where are we selling to? Where are we expecting price to come to? So if we are entering for sales, this will be TP1 and this will be TP2. So let me just do a forecast. This is just a forecast, right? I'm expecting price to sell from here, start to sell from here. But the market is king, so price could come all the way here, before selling, or price could sell from here, from this zone, right? But I feel like we're back in a downtrend. This low has been taken out. This low here has been taken out. So I expect further sales. And price is struggling to break further to... Price is struggling to break this zone. This zone is a very strong zone. So let's see what price does. I would share my setup during the week. If my setup gets activated, I will share my setup. But yeah, let's see if there's any other thing to look out for. Not really. Any other thing to look out for? Let me see if I can draw a trend line here. Does this make sense? Does this make sense? No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. Let me see. I don't know. If price, I don't know. I really don't know. I don't think this trend line is effective here, so I will just remove it. Right? I'll just remove it. So yeah, that's it for today. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Bye.